Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your contact name on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to change contact names, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone call app and here just go for contact, and then you must have to select any contact which you want to adjust or edit name. Let's say I'm going to edit this one, just tap on it and here just keep a long press on it or you will get info icon here. You must have to tap on this info icon and here just look for edit option, tap on it and here just tap on name and you must have to remove the name which you have and then enter the name which you want, and I'm going to enter this one, just enter that name, then tap on the save option and your contact name will be changed. So that's how you can easily change your contact name on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.